Good morning, fly babies. Good morning, patrons. Good morning, my lions. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and today I'm here to bring you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and so what we're doing today is we're going to do, if you're at home fly baby, a 2-layer cake. If you're a payroll fly baby, a 2-layer cake, sometimes a 3-layer cake, depending on the choices that you made during the week. So here we go. First thing in our first layer is to do our routines. So we have 5 routines today. If you are at home and you've done all your laundry during the week, you just have 4. Okay, the first one is our morning routine. So we're going to get up and do our morning routine. If you don't know what the morning routine is, please go watch my video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies, and see it's a really easy way of understanding how to do the whole FlyLady system. I think it'll make it more comfortable for you and you'll understand what I'm talking about in these videos. If you know what the morning routine is but you need a refresher, you can go back to, I think day before yesterday I gave you a nice breakdown of the morning routine and my morning daily. So whatever you choose to do. Or if you're a patron, I have a breakdown of every single thing in the earlier videos, so you can go to morning routine and watch that. All right, so after you do your morning routine, your kids might sleep a little later because it is school out time here in the United States in most places. So you can let them sleep a little if they will, and then get them up. In the meantime, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start your laundry and do an inch of paper, unless your laundry was done during the week, and I hope it was if you're at home. Okay, an inch of paper, and that's just a few seconds. Remember, you're not handling that paper, you're just going through it. And then we're going to wait for the other 2 of our 5 routines, 4 or 5 routines, which is your after dinner routine and before bed routine. We're going to handle those in a little bit. All right, the next thing we're going to do is pop right into our zone. If you need to do zone work, if you're at home, you did your zone work this week, you don't have any zone work. If you are a payroll fly baby and you opted not to do your 5 to 10 minutes of zone work 4 of the days last week, then you're going to do them now. So pick 4 things to do for deep cleaning in your kitchen and do those 4 things, each thing only taking between 5 and 10 minutes. So for me, I've done my floor. I did a great mopping job of the floor, all the places that I don't normally mop. I did my pantry, which was 2 sections because it's 4 shelves, and it takes about 15 minutes to do 2 shelves. So, you know, because I poked, but that's 2 days, so that's another thing. And then the fourth thing was to clean my microwave. So that's what I mean by those kinds of things. All right. The next thing is or. This is the or on your kitchen. If you have clutter, don't deep clean. You can't clean when there's clutter. So you're going to declutter your kitchen in about an hour. You're going to declutter for about an hour. Now that's a little overwhelming, so I want you to take it in 15-minute increments and take a 5-minute break between each one. By a 5-minute break, I mean sit down and drink some water and think about the next thing you're going to do. Decluttering, again, is not making many decisions. It's making 2 decisions. Either you're going to throw it away or you're going to give it away. Anything else is put away. So you have 3 things to do. Make sure you have containers for your throwaway and your giveaway and your put away, because you may have things in your kitchen that belong in other parts of the house. Or you might not have room on your shelves for it in the kitchen. So you're going to leave it in the corner in a put away box until you can get it cleaned out. Okay? That's what we're doing in the kitchen. And then the last thing is our weekly plan item, and that is that today is Family Fun Day, so go have some fun with your family. After that, and again, if you need some ideas for that in Patreon, we have ideas for that. After Family Fun Day, at the end of the day, after you've had your dinner, don't forget to prepare dinner on Family Fun Day, and everyone helps do the after dinner routine. We've gone through that many times. Again, in Patreon, there's an after dinner routine video. In the YouTube area, you can go look. I believe I have after dinner broken down somewhere way back in the older videos, or you can watch the video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. The thing I'm going to concentrate on in the month of June, actually the whole summer, is our before bed routine. So the before bed routine happens at the end of the day after you've done the kitchen routine, the after dinner routine. So I want you to, I'm talking about yours. I don't care when you do the kids, before or after you, but your after dinner routine is go change out of your work clothes and take a shower or a bath or get dressed for bed. Whatever you do, you may take your shower in the morning, but you're going to get ready for bed. So you're going to clean your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, give your hair a nice brush through, put your jewelry away, put your clothes away or in the dirty clothes. And about clothes, you don't have to have piles of clothes if you don't wash everything you wear every day. If it's still clean, hang it up and put it away. Really think about what you did in that dress or in those pants or in that blouse. You know, what did you do today? Where did you sit? Where did you go? You know, if you just stayed home, you didn't really get it dirty. Maybe you got a little spot of something right here. Maybe you want to get a little washcloth with some soap and do that. Rinse it out and hang it up. You don't have to wash your clothes and make giant piles of clothing and wear your clothes out. I've said that before, I'll say it again. It's kind of an old-fashioned idea, but it's really worthwhile if you think about it. Okay, next thing we're going to do after we get ourselves ready for bed and put our clothes away is we're going to, and brushed our teeth, we did all those things. Now we're going to wipe the shower down or wipe the tub out real quick. Just take the cloth that you use, if you bathe with one, use that one. If not, have a cloth that you clean your bathroom with and give it a quick wipe out. So you don't have to worry about having a grungy tub or a grungy shower. You don't have to kill yourself here. This is just like 2 minutes. Zoop, do it. You can do it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and check our planner and see what's on the plan for the week and what's on the plan for tomorrow. Oh yeah, we're going to church tomorrow. So let's lay out the clothes for church tomorrow. And then you might consider what you're going to do for your children tomorrow. What are they going to wear? The next thing is make sure you run the dishwasher before you go to bed, right? And then also, before you do your evening routine, your before bed routine, you're going to do a clutter check, either before or after. And that's just for the mindless things that you've set down yourself and that your children have, nothing to take personally. It's just the way your family is. We're going to learn to be better about it by completing the process, but I don't want you to ever have to go and declutter an area that you've already decluttered, like your kitchen. You know, if you're going to take an hour to declutter your kitchen, or 2 hours, or a whole week, depending on how cluttered it is, I certainly don't want you to ever have to do that again in that capacity. A little bit, if you know that you have mindless clutter, go and look and see what you've done. And if you're in a huge hurry, that makes more clutter. And the reason people are in a huge hurry is because they don't do their before bed routine, which includes going to bed at a decent hour. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.